And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, fear is growing and anxiety is high as residents in Torrington Park, St. Andrew try to pick up the pieces after one of the staircases in their apartment building collapsed on Sunday.
While work began today, many residents say they are forced to remain in the compromised structure because they have nowhere else to go.
Kelisha Williams was in the community today.
It's been 3 days of misery for Althea McIntosh. On Sunday, she had a close call with death. While sitting on the staircase on the 3rd floor of this apartment building, the structure collapsed, and since then, she has been reliving the trauma.
Can we tell them I reach? I'm not reach, I look at my head balance out, chop on my side, and you know what happened? My shots itch up in at the steel. I'm going to tell it's a good thing in my body. I'm a diabetic person. I don't know how I manage. And right now, I'm in a pain. I'm foot bottom, cut, finger, and pain from my neck come down to the side. Yes, some swelling and some bruise.
She was later taken to the hospital for assessment. Thankfully, she did not sustain any serious injuries. However, Ms. McIntosh told TVJ News that while there were signs that the staircase was compromised, she did not expect it to collapse.
In a week, somebody come buy something from my dad. I said, I see you do what we are saying. So I take it not the personal. So I come out and I say, Shanika, true, you know? See the blue we are sitting beside of the step. I say, all my time I broke up and who fear broke them up.
Now, she and the other occupants of 15 other apartments were advised to evacuate the building for their safety. However, with nowhere else to go, many of the over 50 residents chose to remain here.
Him said, I make a step. We don't know what them make a step. Him said, I make a step we can go in our house. So we just sit and wait when them go.
I'm sleeping in my shop until what they decide to do, because I'm getting old now. I'm not young again, and I cannot climb that stage to go up there.
Now there are fears that all the staircases here could soon collapse. I'm on the 2nd floor, and as you can see, the staircase above, there are clear signs that the structure of the staircase has been compromised. There are also signs that they did some patchwork here, but it seems as if that was not enough because pieces of the concrete are still falling. And I can tell you that all the other staircases here are in the same condition.
What we have seen is a constant separation of where the staircase, the landing, anchors on the structure. So right now it's pulling apart. We don't know if the recent earthquakes have anything to do with it.
Neville Dixon is a project coordinator at Duxwell Construction. He and his team are now working to remove the collapsed structure and secure the other staircases to prevent further damage. And from the look of things, they have a long road ahead.
We want to move this slab here within a day or so. And then we already have the carpenters sorting the material to start the stairs. So optimistically, I would say they probably take 3 days to do the stairs. So I said within a week, probably I could have the temporary stairs up for the people to have access.
The apartment building was built in the late 1980s as a housing solution for low-income families under the Housing Agency of Jamaica. However, it is clear that over the years, the property has not been maintained.
What we'd have observed is that the steel members would have started to expose and they started to corrode. And bear in mind that if you see evidence of failure and you don't remedy those evidence, it will compound over time.
Residents told TVJ News that they do not have any strata managers, nor do they pay maintenance fees. In fact, many of the original owners have died.
Like for maintain, if some good they run on the side, we'll paint it. The people them really not have it.
These said buildings exist in other areas of the municipality, more so like in terms of areas like in Hannatown, Denhamtown, Tivoli Gardens, even Corville Gardens. So our intention is to reach out to them to hopefully that these don't suffer a similar fate because the situation could have been worse.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
Mixed